If you had to explain the birds and the bees to a child, how would you explain it? I want to hear it. Right here, right now, in the sack.
All right, so basically, the mommy wishes for a baby to happen.
Okay.
And she throws a coin into the wishing well, and then the secret wishing fairy comes at night and puts the baby inside the belly, and then 9 months later the baby comes out and the wish is granted.
Such a school teacher.
You like
Why
that?
not just tell the truth? Put the P in the V.
Well, because, you know, it's easier said than done when you have a 12-year-old girl.
I don't know. You might as well just be honest. That's my thing.
If I had a boy, probably be pretty honest.
Like
but I have
that.
a girl, so
Yeah.
that's
well,
gonna
you
be a
probably
hard one.
wouldn't have to do it. Your wife could handle that.
Yeah,
But I like that. That was a very good one.
You like that?
That was
yeah,
great.
that's probably how I probably won't handle it well at all when that comes up. I'll probably be sweating
Get
and
rid of all these guys.
yeah, exactly. She's no dating until like 25.
You know
so.
what she's gonna do? She's gonna start dating next year.
Yeah, shh, don't say that.
Yep.
That's wrong.
Because we do
I'm not
opposite of
talking
what
to you
Dad
anymore.
says.